Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete, remove, or hide site shortcuts on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, take a look at the top section of your screen. You'll notice all your shortcut sites or frequently visited websites displayed right there in the top menu. These are the sites Brave shows based on your browsing history, making it quick and easy to access the pages you visit most often. Now, if you want to remove or delete any of these shortcuts, the process is really straightforward. Simply right-click on the website shortcut you want to get rid of. When you do this, a small menu will appear with a few options. From this menu, click on Remove. This will instantly delete that specific shortcut from your top sites, cleaning up your browser's homepage and giving you a more organized view of only the sites you actually want to see. On the other hand, if you'd rather hide all the shortcuts at once instead of removing them one by one, there's an even quicker option for that. Look for the three dotted lines icon located right beside the websites you visited. Click on those three dots and a menu will appear. From there, select Hide Top Sites. This option is perfect if you want a cleaner, distraction-free homepage without permanently deleting your shortcuts. The sites won't be removed from your browser history, they just won't display on your homepage anymore. You can always bring them back later if you change your mind. And that's it. You've now learned two simple ways to manage your site shortcuts on Brave browser, whether you want to remove individual sites or hide the entire shortcuts section completely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.